Hi there, and welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today, we'll explore one of GridMate's powerful actions, the mass email action. This feature simplifies sending bulk emails, making it easy to communicate with large groups quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open the configuration wizard. Go to the Actions section. Add the mass email action. Once you're done, copy the configuration. Then click Close. Now, let's enable email scheduling. In the configuration, add the attribute Can Schedule, and set it to True. Next, click on the gear icon, then select Edit Page. Choose your component. Go to the Actions Properties section. Paste the updated configuration. Click Save, and return to your page. Now, let's select a few records. Click on Mass Email. Fill out the form. As you can see, we support lookup fields. Because we enabled scheduling, you now have the option to schedule your emails. Select the desired date and time. Then click Schedule Send. And that's it. You've successfully added a mass email action and enabled email scheduling in just a few simple steps. Thank you for watching.